ready to do some washing in ISO at the free camp. Option 1 is Michael gets out the Jenny and we run the washing machine. Or option 2 is the scrubber bag.
Oh, this is just for like your jock socks and
and
delicates.
Shirt. So we take the scrubber bag and it's got a fill line. So we've got our water pump connected to the jerry can
that we topped up from rainwater at the farm shed.
Not coming.
Is the pump going? Can you hear it? Can you hear it?
You can hear it.
I'll go check it out. Oh! Debacle. I think we lost a drum of water. Yep, nearly a whole drum.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Ready? Okay. Fill it up to the fill line. So with the amount of clothes we've got, we're filling it up to this line.
Yeah, well, might have to get the other drum out because I think most of it pumped out on the ground.
Oh, it doesn't take too much water. I don't know how many litres is that to
I have no
go
idea.
to that line.
I have no idea.
Oh, we're nearly out.
Yeah, that's it. I'll have to go and...
Fill line, you just put in a small bit of washing powder. Then the clothes just get whacked in. Like that. And then this gets folded over a couple of times. And then there's an air release valve here. Can you hear that? That releases the air in there.
You gotta let it all out so then you can scrub.
Like that. And the bag's got like all ripples and everything on the bottom. And then like kneading dough. So this is the wash cycle, and then you just do it again with another lot of water to the fill line to rinse it. So they say here roll and clip and then deflate and rub for 3 minutes. We just use this mainly when we're getting down with underwear or some shirts. We can do a load of shirts and shorts. It's not a full load, but it is handy. It doesn't use too much water unless you're wasting it.
It's more just for emergencies. Yeah. Well, not emergencies, it's just, yeah.
Yeah, look, we could run the washing machine with the Jenny, but that does use a lot more water with...
More trips to the rainwater tank.
Yeah, for sure. So then we'll just unclip, unroll, and then I usually just pop them in here. While I empty out the wash water and then refill for the rinse and repeat, and then just do the old-fashioned hand wring out. So the water's pretty filthy actually.
Red dirt.
Hey?
Red dirt water.
Yeah, all the red dirt around.
Oh, you should have given the bottle tree a drink. Oh, his roots will be out there. I'll have to go and turn it on again.
Okay, that's all right.
I'll go turn it on. Topping up for the rinse cycle.
The rinse, yeah. So fill it up to the line again. Depending on how many clothes, whether it's a low load, low water level or high water level.
1 shirt, pair of socks and jocks, 2 shirts, 2 pairs of socks and 2 jocks.
I usually get more than that in there.
That water from that rainwater tank was pretty clean.
Yeah, yeah. It wasn't when I just took it out though. So what have we got? Knickers, pair of socks, a shirt, jocks, another pair of socks, knickers, jocks, knickers. So that's what we've got in there.
There's a fair bit.
Fair bit. Yeah. Roll it over. Release the air. Deflate.
No, clip it up first.
Yeah, I sort of do it as at the same time.
Okay.
And then seal that back up. And now the rinse cycle. And you can see all the water sloshing around in there in the clothes. Bit of a noisy, unstable table. And then to hang it up, we've just got a bit of rope that Michael strings up at the end of the awning or between trees, depending on where we're camped up. And we just peg them up. And that's a load of washing.
Done.
For camping. Yeah.
Done and dusted.
There we go.
So just get them out, then wring them out and hang them up.
That's it. Pressure. Rinse out.
Ring.
Oh, wring out, yeah. Sorry. Like they would have done in our grandparents' days.
No, they had those ringers that they fed it through, you know, that
Yeah.
you just had to keep your fingers out of. Those big old tubs with the ringer at the top.
So, and then Michael's just strung a line up. And so...
Yeah, I don't think we need to see clothes hanging, do we?
No, I'll just...
Yeah, we just put a line from the latch around the end of the awning there, down the other end,
And there's the clothesline.
around there, and to that end.
Yeah. And that's wash day.
That's usually enough for a couple of loads,
Yeah.
which is nearly a week's clothes.
It's been, this would be 4 days of...
Yeah,
Is this day 5?
I don't know. Friday, you didn't wash Friday, you washed Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 3 days. Did you wash Thursday at Timber Creek? I don't know.
No, did we leave Thursday?
No, we left Friday.
Left Friday? Yeah, I think I may have.
Oh no, we left Thursday. We stayed Thursday night at Keep River.
Yeah.
Then we crossed over
So
Friday.
I
Yeah.
didn't wash then, so...
So Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. That's 4 days. Did you wash Wednesday? Yeah, I think you did. A load, didn't you? Oh, I can't remember.
Yeah.
That's it. Done. Just hang them all up.